Chiropractors are trained to detect and correct vertebral subluxations. A vertebral subluxation is the interruption of flow from the brain to the body. Your brain is the computer system which controls all the organs, tissues, and muscles in your body. If you have a misalignment in the spine, it pinches off the nerve that leads to the organs, tissues, and muscles, so the brain cannot communicate properly. Through precise and gentle adjustments, we're able to take the pressure off that nerve and then allow healing to occur.